Hello everyone, this is Jialan Package here. Today I would like to introduce everyone a black box. This black box is for all kinds of gifts. It's the reason why I like this black box is because of its structure. This is the size for this black box is 29 by 17 by 10 centimeter steps. So it's perfect for all kinds of gifts. No matter whether it's food or it's a small jewelry, it's all fit into this kind of box. The box was made from heavy-duty gray board and then laminated with this beautiful leather textured paper and then embossed with this gold embossed logo. And also the inside, look at the inside. The inside pattern matches perfectly with the outside. And also one thing I want to mention is that the lid has two magnetic to secure the lid won't move around. This is one thing that I like about this box. How about you? Follow me with more new products next time. Thank you.